Alright, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to solve algebraic equations that are given to you in diagrams. Different than algebra tiles, you may see these in kind of equivalent number lines. So we have to write an equation that says that these two lines are equal. The length of them looks like they're equal. We're given that the top one is measured to be 50, and then we have the bottom one kind of divided up into some equal g segments and then an 8 over here at the end. So since we know that these two are equal, when I'm going to write an equation of the green line equaling to the blue line. So at first, the green line is going to be 50. Need the pen to work. 50 equals, and then this green line, there are a bunch of g's. Let's count how many specifically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 g's, and then an 8. That is the equation that says that those two are equal. All right. Towards the bottom, so writing an equation that shows that these three lines are going to be equal to each other. The first two are going to be combined together to equal the line at the bottom. Okay, so this green line and the blue line is the exact same measurement of the orange line. So when you write your equation, the first two is a 42 plus an 8 combined together is going to equal this orange line, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 p's. And the second part of the direction says to make sure that you combine like terms. And these terms are going to be the 42 and the 8 can combine together to equal 50. Now, if the directions say to solve, just make sure you would solve for that variable. But these directions just say write the equation that says that these two lines are equal.